Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will explain to you what Ethereum is and how does it work. Let's roll. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. But it is not just another type of cryptocurrency. It's an open source software platform based on blockchain technology, which allows the creation of decentralized applications. Basically, Ethereum is the world's programmable blockchain. So, what makes Ethereum unique? First of all, Ethereum allows users to create smart contracts. A smart contract is a computer code that can facilitate the exchange of anything of value. It is sort of a self-operating program that automatically executes when certain conditions are met. The next important feature is that Ethereum's blockchain is able to host other cryptocurrencies, called tokens, through the use of its ERC20 compatibility standard. Today, more than 280,000 ERC20 compliant tokens have been launched. Ethereum is a blockchain, but it is also a native currency for the whole Ethereum system. Ethereum coin is also called Ether or ETH. We can describe Ether as Ethereum network's fuel. It allows smart contracts to run and also can be used as digital money similar to Bitcoin. Let's dive into Ethereum's history and its main milestones. The history of Ethereum began in 2013 when 19-year-old Vitalik Buterin proposed a platform that could leverage blockchain to store and execute computer programs across an international network of distributed codes. In 2014, Ethereum underwent crowd sale where more than $14 million was raised. The Ethereum network officially went live on the 30th of July 2015. An interesting fact is that Buterin has chosen the project's name after browsing a list of elements from science fiction. He stated, "I immediately realized that I liked it better than all of the other alternatives that I had seen. I suppose it was the fact that it sounded nice and it had the word ether, referring to the hypothetical invisible medium that permeates the universe and allows light to travel." In March 2017, various research groups and Fortune 500 companies announced the creation of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. This alliance enables organizations to adopt and use Ethereum technology in their daily business operations. Nowadays, more than 200 organizations are supporting this alliance. Since the initial launch, Ethereum has undergone several planned protocol upgrades, which are important changes affecting the underlying functionality and incentive structures of the platform. The Ethereum team is currently underway for a major upgrade to Ethereum known as Ethereum 2.0. The main purpose of the upgrade is to increase transaction throughput for the network from the current of about 15 transactions per second to up to tens of thousands of transactions per second. During the last years, the Ethereum ecosystem has emerged as it is the first choice for developers launching decentralized finance applications and non-fungible tokens. Nowadays, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Moreover, Ethereum keeps reaching new price heights. Ethereum has truly become a global platform for decentralized applications, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime, and fraud. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.